Good morning. It is makeover day, so here is the box which the shower door came in. They delivered it right to our house. The gentleman carried it into our garage for us, so it's just been waiting on the installation team, so today should be the day. Here's a little more on the specs of the shower door that we selected. It is the framed bypass sliding shower door. It's reversible installation and it's going to be in the brushed nickel color. They also had a darker color too, which we absolutely loved. However, all of our finishes in the bathroom were brushed nickel, so we just decided to go ahead and match that. First things first, the team came and took out our old door. He said these were pretty much obsolete and nobody was using these types of doors anymore. And he said the new one was pretty straightforward and easy to put in. And he said he definitely recommended it, especially with having small children. He said that the glass was much thicker than our previous one and it was definitely going to be a much sturdier door than our old one. Our old one was just basically trash at this point. There was no use for it. But we're going to get this door up and then we're going to get the bathroom transformed. This door glided so seamlessly. I was so excited. It was time to clean after the crew was done. I could not get this wet for 24 hours, so we're just going to use some Clorox wipes to clean up the bottom and get it as clean as we possibly can. My goodness, this was so easy to clean when it came time to cleaning the actual glass. It has an easy clean coating on it, so you're not going to be sitting there scrubbing for hours, which I definitely had to do with our old door. It also has a narrow frame, so it doesn't trap the grime like our old one, so cleaning it was so much less of a hassle. I love the bottom rail tilt design. It's angled just right so the water runs off of it instead of pooling up at the bottom, so that means there's going to be no more standing water, no mold, and no musty smells. The seals are nice and tight too, so even when the kids are taking a shower, I don't have to deal with water splashing all over the bathroom floor like our old one and then worry about that leaking through our roof. Let's talk about the top rail for a second. It's actually thicker and has a smart track design. It feels super solid when you push it, so you don't have to worry about it going off the track. And that was something I was definitely worried about with the kids. You know, sometimes they get rowdy and they're just playing. They don't mean any harm, but I was worried that glass was definitely going to shatter in our house. We have 4 boys. What do you expect? But with this, it put my mind at ease and I don't have to worry about it. So this upgrade was a huge win for me. I think the bathroom looks amazing. Now we're going to get to cleaning and then we're going to do a little bit of decorating.